Hey, I wanted to share with you a big, beautiful home. Our newest listing here at 3 Sombrado. So 3 Sombrado, you have some beautiful low maintenance landscaping here in the front. And as you walk up, one of the first things you're gonna notice is this really cool wrought iron door. I really like these because you can have them open for a breeze, but still the iron's there. We'll see in a second. You've got glass section here, but you can open that up and still have a door closed for safety. But if you come in the front door, you got stairs to the right, living room to the left, dining room. We're gonna go that way. So dining room off to the right, and then over here, it's the powder room we saw before. And speaking of storage, we've got more, yay. So lots of storage throughout the home, always convenient. And this takes us back to family room and the garage out that way. So off the living room, we've got a powder room here. Very convenient for guests. And then if you come down this hallway, garage straight ahead, the downstairs bedroom, guest room, whatever you need it to be is here. What's nice is it has its own ensuite bathroom, complete with a barn door, nice vanity and shower. And closet with built-ins right here, ready to go. Lots of ceiling fans in this home, which is a nice touch. Got chair rail, crown molding. Back out into the hallway. You like storage? Under the stairs, not only do you have a light, finished drywall, but you got a big storage area right here. You want indoor laundry? No? You have your own room. So when you come in from the garage, you don't have to go through the laundry room. You got a separate room here. You got a separate side door out to the side. Lots of cabinets, and of course the sink. Garage. You got a 3-car garage with tall ceilings, added lights, added cabinets, finished epoxy floor. Got room for refrigerator if you need the extra food. Got a man door out to the side and lots of racks up top as well. So if you got surfboards, if you've got bikes, if you've got stuff, this is definitely a nice sized garage. And now we're back inside. So from there we can come into the family room. Nice high ceilings, crown molding, another ceiling fan, fireplace. Notice the plantation shutters. You got lots of shutters, real nice touch. Let's check out the rest of the kitchen. This is a really spacious kitchen. So if you like to cook, if you like to entertain, if you like to eat, got bar stools here. In addition to a big island with a 6-burner cooktop. That's a decor cooktop. You've got decor double ovens. You've got a built-in microwave, KitchenAid refrigerator with outside ice and water, stainless dishwasher, light cabinets, lots of storage on the island, on the peninsula, overlooking family room, overlooking the backyard. You have a really nice spacious nook here. Again, more storage there. I'm gonna look outside and then we'll come back in. So we got patio aiding area here. Low maintenance, drought tolerant landscaping, pretty much throughout. You got a couple fruit trees, gonna want a little bit of water, but very low maintenance. Another relaxation area here. That's the doors into the dining room. And you got plenty of side space over there. You got nice trees up on the slope. Head back inside. Let's continue on into the dining room. So again, French doors out to the patio that we just saw. Nice crown molding, nice natural light. So we leave dining room and go into the living room. Got another fireplace here. This is a real casual area, so not really. I mean, you can make it a formal formal living room, but it's nice and casual. If you want to relax, you can actually do that here in the living room. So from the front door, you can also go upstairs. Beautiful wrought iron spindles. And we're actually gonna go to the right. Lots of linen storage here. Couple of things to point out. You've got a whole house fan, which can make cooling the house a lot more efficient. So up here, okay, let's start this bedroom. Double door entry. You'll notice a ceiling fan. Lots of closet space. Natural light. You also have a balcony. The other front bedroom is kind of neat. It's got the vaulted ceilings. You're seeing plantation shutters as well. Ceiling fan. Nice closet space. These guys share a remodeled bathroom. A nice subway tile pattern here, newer vanity. And then across the way, you've got another little, let's call it almost a third little ensuite. So, closet and ensuite bathroom. Nice vanity in here. So, real nice setup. And we're going to save the left for last. One thing I do want to show you, we were talking about light. You got these skylights here. They're letting in natural light to the top of the stairs. You know, that area can often be dark. All right, let's back up one second. You got double door entry. This is the primary suite. You've got a real nice retreat here. Lots of options, whether it's just you want to relax, get away from the family, read a book, sit by the fire. Could be if you need an office space, or you could have a crib in here. You could have your Peloton in here. lots of options. You've got the bed area there. Notice there's ceiling fan up there, one down here. You've got closet space here, which is pretty spacious, but wait, there's more. You've got a balcony where you can sing to the backyard, say hello to whoever's barbecuing out there. And as we enter the primary bathroom, where do we start? How about the first of two sinks here, the first of two walk-in closets here, more built-ins, nice high ceilings, lots of space for your stuff. Really like these counters. It's cool quartz there. If you're a bath person, boom, you got that. If you're a shower person, boom, you got that. This is quite spacious. So if you need, need to sit down while you're shaving your legs, I'm told that's a thing. You can do that in here. Lots of room. And then over here, you've got your second vanity, second sink, second walk-in closet. So everybody gets some space, and you can even hang your ugly sweater for those holiday parties. So that's the master suite. Now, here's where I want to take you to the surprise. This area is not from the builder. This was an added loft, and I'm gonna walk around. This space is really big. So it goes over the living room, but the ceilings are still really high down there. So you don't even notice that that was added in, but this gives you tons of space. Whether you want a pool table, we've got foosball here, gaming area, reading area, homework, home office. So many different options. This space is really prime, and you're gonna love, what you can do, what you can think about. You notice they've got the ceiling fan here as well. Lots of ceiling fans throughout the home. Really a nice touch. And the other thing to notice is you've got really nice crown molding. You've got the shutters up here, and if you didn't see it, you've got the foosball table.